fix OBS desktop audio not working is pretty simple. We first have to navigate to the bottom right corner of OBS and tap on settings. Then on the left panel of our settings we have audio. Make sure to tap on it. Then under global audio devices we're going to proceed to select on mic or auxiliary audio, and then with this selected proceed to select the mic that you are using on your device. Then after that continue to tap on apply and then OK. After this we're going to proceed to tap on output. Then under recordings we're going to make sure our first track is selected. Then continue to tap on apply and then tap on OK. After this settings configuration is done, we're going to make sure we tap on this third dot under audio input capture. Then proceed to tap on properties, and after that make sure to tap on devices. Then select the appropriate mic that is associated with your OBS desktop audio. Then continue to tap on OK. And this is how you can fix your OBS desktop audio if it's not working. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.